Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox hair. Creating custom hair for your Roblox avatar or game can be a really fun and rewarding experience. We'll go over the entire process, from initial concept to seeing your creation in-game. This guide will help you understand the necessary steps and tools, ensuring you have a smooth journey as you design unique hairstyles. Get ready to unleash your creativity and add a personal touch to the Roblox world. Before we dive into the creative work, let's make sure you have all the right tools. You'll definitely need a powerful 3D modeling software, and Blender is a fantastic, free option that many creators use. Additionally, Roblox Studio is crucial for uploading and testing your hair. Take a moment to download and install these programs and ensure your computer can handle them smoothly. Having the right setup is the first step to success. Now for the exciting part, bringing your hair design to life. In your 3D modeling software, you'll sculpt and refine the hair, paying close attention to its shape and flow. Once the model is complete, you'll move on to texturing, adding vibrant colors and realistic details. Remember to keep the polygon count reasonable and optimize your textures to ensure your hair looks great and performs well within Roblox. This stage is where your artistic vision truly takes shape. You're almost there. The final steps involve getting your beautifully crafted hair into Roblox. First, export your model and textures from your 3D software, making sure they are in the correct formats. Then, open Roblox Studio to import these assets and set up all the necessary properties. Don't forget to thoroughly test your new hair in a game environment to check for any issues. Congratulations, you've just created and implemented your very own custom Roblox hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.